Hi everybody, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you um, how to use pages in the e-commerce builder. So I'm logged into e-commerce builder, just one of our demos in the back end, and I've just clicked on the pages tab. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through these pages quickly with you. I've got a few tutorials on this, how to edit pages, how to edit existing pages, how to add new pages, and so on. So it's going to take quite a long time. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to edit a page and just briefly go through these. So depending on the package you've chosen, the option you've chosen, um, these are all the different pages you'll get, and then here you'll get a custom page 1, custom page 2. So some packages have three custom pages. This is where you can create your own page. Like, let's say you want an about us page, you can create it here, or let's say you want I don't know, a services page, whatever you want. They're custom pages, so you can add what you want. Then the default pages is the blog. You can edit that. The cart page, you wouldn't really edit because it's part of the cart. Checkout, compare, you would leave. Contact, you can edit. Those two are obviously custom. The home page, that's, you get a nice start off when you select a template that we've put together for you. So that's quite nice. That's the page I'm going to use in this tutorial, show you how to edit and so on. And then let's go to my account. You would leave. That's for the actual shopping cart. Shop page, you would generally wouldn't edit that. In terms, you would edit. And wish list, that's just to set up for the wish list. Okay. So pages. Okay. So let's understand how to edit a page. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here, go to the home page quickly. Um, and then I'm going to show you how to edit the home page. So there's two ways you can edit a page. Edit a page. Either you go edit here, or because I'm logged in, I can go back to the website, and at the top of the page, I've got this dark menu. Okay, and whatever page I go to, if I click on contact terms, whatever page I want to go to, it'll have this edit page on it. If I click on a product, even, it will say edit product. So it's quite nice. So just so you can navigate better when you're logged in as an administrator. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to go edit page on the home page. Okay. Okay, or obviously I can go edit page here or wherever. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so now that I've clicked edit page on that, what I'm going to do is just to show you how I'm navigating and so on, just to give you guys a feel for this. I'm going to open the website in another tab. Okay, the home page. Okay, so now while that's opening, let me scroll down a bit. So this is the editor. Okay, so how it works is each item like this is situated on the page exactly the same as the back here. Okay, so I'll give you an example. So let me go back here. Okay, it's still busy loading. Okay, so you're going to enjoy this editor because it's quite easy to use. You can add your own stuff. You can even delete all of this and start from scratch if you really want to. Okay, so maybe some of you want to have a whole custom home page or any page. Okay, so that's why we have this. This is so you guys can really, um, put something awesome together. Okay, so great. This is open now. So for example, I'm in edit mode for the home page. So if you see here, I've got a slider at the top here. So if I go here, scroll to the top, there's my slider. Okay, cool. So then I scroll down a little bit. There's welcome to the in store, welcome in store. And then I go down a bit. There's three tabs. Okay, so all these sections, if you get lost, just open the page that you're editing over in another tab and go back and forth. But wherever you see something, it should be featured products. The carousel of the products. Here it is, carousel, moving products. Okay, so very simple. You go down and carry on. Here's a video. There's the video, and so on. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Rev slider, that in another video I'm going to show you how to edit that. So you don't normally you only have a slider on the home page of your website, so just leave it as is, but you can create a whole more if you like moving forward. Okay, so that said, let's carry on to the next section. So how to edit a section. Okay, so all the sections have this little pen. Okay, so each section, when you go over it, will say I want to edit this, or I want to edit this. Okay, so if I click on the pen, it brings up a window based on the module that I've just clicked on. Okay, so in this case, it's a image there. Let's go back to the top. There's an image, and then under that image, I've got some content, Okay, so pretty straightforward. So then I can edit it like doing this and do my thing. I can take out this image. That's the size of the image in pixels, or you can make it full. You can look through that. So like I said, each section has its own settings. So just it's self-explanatory. You just go over it. Like for example, this video. Let's click on the pen again. Okay. Okay, cool. So there's the video. So all I do is put the video link in. So I can put a YouTube video link in here, or Vimeo, whatever link you want to where your video is sitting. Scroll down, I can edit those. You can even delete stuff inside here. So let's say I go down a bit and I don't want this. Okay, this whole long history thing. Okay, so let's find the history thing. So here it is. All of these items got a pen on it. So for example, timeline breakpoints. I've got the breakpoint there, 1856. Then I've got a timeline item, which is that. So it's quite self-explanatory. Each thing has got a little pen. You just click on the pen and it's got its own settings. Okay, so over here, what I'm going to do is, let's say I want to get rid of it. There's a cross here, so you just click on the cross, either that one for the outside one or for everything. Okay, gone. And then what's nice about it, if let's say I do a mistake, I can just click on this back arrow here, and it'll take me back to where I was. Okay, perfect. Or I can go forward, back or forward, which is quite nice. So if you make a mistake, just click back. Okay. Then, so let me just get rid of this anyway. So I mean, there's the outer one, the inner one, and so on. So I'm just gonna, you'll get used to this. So you just got to play around. Okay. So click here, gone. Okay, I want to leave the blog. Let's just say it's like that. Okay. Now there's one other thing. So if you notice, if I scroll up a bit, there's like a background image here and then an image in there. So what that is in another tutorial of how to create pages from scratch, I'm going to show you, in more detail this kind of stuff. But basically, these are columns. So if you can see here, that's a column, that's a column, that's a column, and then if I go up, that's two columns, and so on. Okay. So in the column, if you see it, you see a little picture here. Basically, it's saying there's a background image in here. So it's quite nice to just see the little image. So this is a beer bottle, but it could be anything. So what I do is I click on the pen again on that section, and then I can see if I go to design options, but play around with these. There's my image. Okay, so it's basically saying I can change that image. So I can click there, click on the cross, go to my library if I want to add a new image, add an image from the existing images that I already have, or I can upload an image from my PC or Mac. Okay, so which is quite nice. Okay, so here's all the images that I already have in my library. Okay, so let me go out of that. Same with this. This is the outer one. Okay, so if you notice this, if I go up a bit, no, sorry, down. This one's the picture just on that section. Okay, it's just three sections. This is the image in the whole background. Okay, so if I go there, you see I've got a little image on that background. So then I click on this one because now I want an image on the very background. Or it doesn't have to only be an image. I mean, go to design image. It can be a background color or an image. So it doesn't matter. Okay, and then here is how you want the row to be. The moment on stretch row. Stretch row means I want it to be full width. Okay. So just bear that in mind. A stretch row is the best. You can stretch row and content, or default is no stretch at all. It just cuts off on the sides here. Okay. All right. So, but like I keep saying, it's huge. This is a huge, huge drag and drop builder. So you really have to just go in and play with it. Okay. Okay. So let's carry on. Okay. Down here, I've got newsletter. I'll show you how to create a MailChimp newsletter, and then we have one in another tutorial. It's basically a shortcode to put in here, but let's just get rid of that for now. Okay, so basically, once you're done with that, okay, then what you do is you scroll down, you click update. Okay, so update means that, okay, well, sorry, not update. So, okay, update means save everything. Okay, so I'm ready. Okay, and then it goes live. Okay, once you've updated, that's it. Okay, or you can preview. Okay, so preview means before I click update, I want to just check what I've done. So let's just take a look quickly what we've done. Okay, so I haven't actually done much. So let's just go down. That's fine. Yeah, you see I've deleted that history stuff. Okay, that's all I've actually done. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So let's say if I'm happy, I click update, and then that's it. It's saved and then it's ready. Then your users can see what's happening. Okay, so that's basically how to edit an existing page. Okay, so play around with this. Sorry, one last thing. Over here we've got revisions. Okay, so got 6 revisions of this. So if you make a huge mistake and you click update and you break and everything, you can actually go browse revisions. Okay, so let me just leave that. Play around with these as well. And then these are my revisions. So from 47 seconds ago, that's my revision. Or I can go back, that's 3 weeks ago. So I can go back on a backup for this page only if I've made a huge mistake and I want to go on a backup. Okay. But just bear in mind, we have backups of the whole website anywhere in general, like the full website. So you don't always have to use this. Okay. So, yeah, thanks for watching. So that's basically how to edit an existing page. Thanks very much.